Hello and welcome back to Breakthrough to 4%. Supercharged because this is my favorite topic. Hello Jimmy. Jimmy, how are you? Just please type if you can hear me. Just type here HEAR. Please type HEAR if you can hear me. Okay. This is my favorite topic. But before that, let me let me tell you one good and bad news. Good news is for the 4%er who are looking for the opportunity, who are willing to learn, who are ready to dominate whatever they are doing. Okay, it's a good news for them. And there's a bad news, whoever wants to live a life just however they want and whatever life they are getting and the flow of like following others. Okay, the good and bad news is that by 2030 2 billion people are going to lose a job. Yes, now it might be a bad for the who are not 4%ers, but it's a good news for a 4%er who can learn the new opportunity and new things. They are saying, the tech experts are saying by 2030 most of the things is going to be automated. Everything will be an automation, and whoever can learn the automation thing, especially the systems. Now whatever I am and you can see me live, now this is a automated systems. Okay, so anyone can master some automated systems, they will be more rich and they can survive for their living and to reform in this world. Okay, so let's jump in for today's topic, how to earn money. Okay, let me make the screen correctly. Okay, how to earn money. Now many people who are working, they don't know, they are doing a job, they're doing a business, they are doing everything whatever comes to their mind, but they are not thinking of solving a problem. Solving problem. Solving problem. This is a big word, how you can earn money. If you can solve problem of not yours but other people, you will get to earn money. Okay, now let me give an example. If you are a parent and you have the child, what happens when child is born to you? It has satisfied your parenthood. Okay, it has solved your parenthood problem. So you are paying attention to that baby, you are feeding that baby because it is your child, it is give that emotional satisfaction, that is your child, that is satisfying your parenthood. And how you are solving that child problem? Baby is born by feeding the milk to it, okay, the giving a food, giving whatever the toys it want, you are satisfying its problem. Okay, as simple as that. By solving a problem, you are earning money, not yours but by others. Okay, so in business, wherever you are working, if you are working for a company required a good employee who can take their company from one level to other level. So they are hiring a good people and paying a salary, and you are serving them by giving a good result. That's how is the first component of solving a problem and earning money. But you can earn by solving problem. One problem is only some rupee. Now what would be the second component? You might say second component, by solving many problems you can earn more money. No. The second component of earning money is by being specific. Okay, by being specific. Now what I mean by being specific, let me give an example. If you are a doctor, now there are so many MBA doctors. Hello Rahul, how are you? Hello Rahul, if you can hear me, please type HEAR here in the comment box. Please type HEAR if you can hear me. The second component is specific. Now there are so many doctors in the world. There are so many MBA doctors. Why there is paid more money or salary or more income the neurosurgeon doctor has than the MBBS doctor? Because neurosurgeons are rare and they are very specific. Now you can say the ortho doctor, you can say the skin specialist doctor, you can say the dental doctor. The more specific you are doing a work, okay, you can be a software engineer, but the more specific tool, if you can expert in that software concept, then you will be getting more paid. Okay. The third component of this is MSI. What do you mean by MSI? MSI full form is multi-source of income. Multi-source of income. Now in this page there are many of my friends who are doing a cloud kitchen, who are owning a cloud kitchen business, who are a fitness coach, who are doing a textile garment clothes business online. But you can earn by being multi-source of income. How you can do it, I'll tell you. I will give an example. We all know the Amazon, okay? When you go something to purchase, now this mic I have purchased from Amazon, okay? So when I am purchasing this mic in Amazon, it also, when I put it into a cart, when I confirm it and put it into cart for the payment, it also popping up and referring me the other things what can be bought with this. So it shows me a cable which can be lengthy one, so you can go far and also you can speak. So it will suggest a mic stand, it will suggest me a ring lights. So that's how it's a suggestion. So now if you go to Ola, Uber cab, there is a tab, there is a screen. So it also gives you opportunity, tells you to be a subscription of Netflix or Prime Video through the Uber. So whenever you are traveling, you can enjoy that video. Okay. In the Apple, if you're buying an Apple phone, you cannot download any of the app. You have to buy from their app store only. Okay, that's how. So whatever app you download, Apple company gets some money from that app store. So similarly, I'll give an example. So if you're a fitness coach, whoever in this group, okay, you can not only coach them on a fitness, but you can also refer them the dumbbells, the clothes, the shoes, fitness shoes, the protein shake, okay. For the cloud kitchen, whoever owning a cloud kitchen, now you can be more specific. As I said, solving a problem and be specific. Do have a specific food that no one else is making, okay. Can you be a more presentable? How easily, how fastly you can serve? So be specific. Why Swiggy and Zomato is serving? Because they are easily accessible in whichever restaurant, every restaurant they have tied up, and they are serving it very fast. That's why they are fast. Okay, and multi-source of income. See, in Swiggy app also, the many restaurants offers will be popping. So if you have an app or a website or whatever through you are communicating with the customer, you can give them a more of opportunity of offer, a movie ticket or this or anything which you can earn affiliate money from the multi-source of income. Okay. Now McDonald's, when you're going for a burger, buy a burger, they will suggest you a combo offer, burger with a Pepsi. Okay. So that is called a MSI. So you have to solve a problem where you can earn only one money, but being a specific, you can earn more money, and by being multi-source of income, you can be affiliate for the other products also related to your industry, and you can create multi income for you. Okay, now I'll give you three, just a basic formula to understand. Okay, this side. Okay, so there is I'll write it here. Always whenever you're doing a business or a work or you're about to start a business, remember this three formula: X, Y and Z. Now what is X? X is your industry, Y is your profession and Z is your audience. So if I was taking an example of a cloud kitchen, you are into hospitality industry, okay, you are into food industry, that is your X. And your Y is you are a cloud kitchen, okay, and your audience should be whoever you want to target. So if you are I'll give another example. So if you are telling a fitness coach, so your X is your fitness industry, Y is your, you have to position, you have to specify yourself, okay, you are solving a what? Fitness industry, that is X. You have to be specific Y. So I can say I am a fitness coach who helped pregnant women to reduce so and so weight or 20 kg or 30 kg weight by 1 or 2 months of the post pregnancy. So you have to be specific. Be specific, that is your Y. What is your Z? So your Z is audience, whom you target. So as I said, fitness coach, you told fitness industry, you are a fitness coach, you position yourself. Who is your target audience? Z is your target audience, that is pregnant woman. Okay. So X, Y, Z. Solving a problem first, not yours but others. Be specific. The more specific you are, the more deeper you are into your concept, you are getting more money than the own problem solving, and by multi-source of income. So connected into your industry, whatever you can suggest to your customer or whatever you can satisfy, you can earn the more money, and the XYZ formula. Okay, thank you so much. So this was my favorite subject of telling and coaching about the earning money. Many people doing a business like me, but we were not in a concept. Even if you are driving, if you were coaching, what problem you are solving. Now in this Facebook Live, this is a free platform. I am doing a free sharing which I have learned. So free learning, free platform which is available. Instagram, Facebook, okay. If I want to go one shot in 3 medium channel, I have to use other tools to go 3 platform at the same time. So, but that is a paid platform. Now, Facebook Live is giving me a free opportunity to go live and solve a problem of mine to talk to my audience. Okay. So, I am using a Facebook platform because it is free. Now, what is the demand generating a problem or the solving a platform problem? I'll tell you, Facebook and Instagram is the generating a demand for a problem. So you would have seen so many ads running in the webinar ads in this 6 to 7 months. Many people are coming and telling about the join my webinar, join my coaching. How? It is you don't know, but they are coming and telling you, okay, this is my courses which will help you, and it's a demand platform. Okay. Now if you want a solution for anything, where you go first? You go for a Google search or the YouTube. If you want in a video form, you go to YouTube. So Facebook or Instagram is creating a demand of a problem, and Google and YouTube is a platform which is solving a problem for you. Okay. So that's just example I wanted to end with. Okay. Thank you so much. Just tell me how you like the whatever today you have learned, or you would have learned something new thing. Please comment on the comment box if this was helpful. And thank you so much for listening. And this is just a mindset. Still we are in upcoming videos. We'll be going to skill set and tool set, that is about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and more. Okay, please stay tuned and follow the page. Thank you so much. If any of your friends are into business, they want to scale up the business, please join them to this page, so which can help them for free of cost. Thank you so much. Happy to see you again and best of luck.